students, I will read the question first. Then you will answer. You have 30 seconds to think about. Okay, ready? Let's start. The company is trying to new markets overseas. A. Explore. B. Explode. C. Expose. And D. Expand. Okay. So the answer? Expand. Okay, let's check. Oh, very good. Great job. Let's start. Question 1. If I spend enough money, I would buy a new car. Oh, very good. Okay. Next question is open or borrow. Okay, let's see the answer. Okay. Thank you.
My presentation. My name is Ryan. I'm 20 years old. I'm in grade 7 at Beckenham Secondary School of Data, which uses to learn through machine learning algorithms. It mimics human brain function using neural networks and deep learning techniques. These technologies enable machine to recognize images, voices, and make decisions on their own. The applications of AI are extremely diverse. In healthcare, it has diagnose diseases and assist in precise surgeries. In finance, AI detects fraud and forecasts the market. In retail, it analyzes customer behavior to personalize shopping experience. In transportation, it controls self-driving vehicles and optimizes traffic routes. However, AI also brings many challenges. There is the risk of job loss due to automation, concern about privacy, data security, and ethical questions about decision making by machine. The future of AI is full of potential. We can expect closer cooperation between humans and machines, significant progress in education, environment protection, and space exploration. Yet, to ensure AI benefits society, clear regulation and ethical development are necessary. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is no longer distant concept. It is present nearly every aspect of our life with powerful partner, but it also requires us to use wisely and responsibly. That is the end of my presentation. Thanks for your attention.